Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to be unboxing this thing here. So this is the Philip Hube. What is it? I think it's called Play Light Bar or Base Unit, I'm not sure. But when I was looking it up, I think it's like the Mood Light Bar or something like that. So yeah, this is just the Philips Mood Light that I'm going to be unboxing, and also going to be adding to my PC or like the desk setup that you guys could view in the next video or the upcoming video. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for the upcoming video. So yeah, let's get started. So yeah, here's just the box. So I think in this box there's going to be 2 units with like, I think it says what's included. So here we go. So as you can see here at the power socket, it's included a stand. I think 2 stands. One is for like the vertical stand, and one is like for just a flat stand, so the light either points up or sideways like that, or something like that. But then you get 2 of the light bar. So yeah, other than that, nothing else is important, I believe. Well, I think there's like what is it, for 500 or something. I'm not sure. Well, it's also controlled via Amazon Echo, Google, and yeah, and you can play with your iPhone as well. So serious. Okay, yeah, let's get inside the box. Oh, there we go. So as I open, just the 2 light bars here. So let me lift this up and keep it to the side. Yeah, just put it there. So here you go. So these are the 2 stands. I think this is like the vertical one. So yeah, I think this one puts say like mount it here, will just make the light like beams in line like straight rather than up. So yeah, so this is the other one, which is like if you put it up, it goes. If you put it on this mount, the light points it upwards, whereas this one points it sideways. So it's the opposite, like this is right down to each other. So you choose which one you want. So those are those 2 mounts. Let's get inside the, I don't know what this is, like the user manual, I believe, like whatever is inside here. So yeah, so this is the user manual, as I mentioned before. So how to get started, how to install, and I was like, reading this stuff. Well, you should want to like, you should read it, but I can't bother. And this is the safety instruction. There you go. This is like a wasp, I believe, before you add the bracket. Always, I think it's like a double-sided tape. Okay, so I think it's like a double-sided tape for the actual stand. So you put it here, just stick this in, and with that put it down so it doesn't move, like wherever you place it. So it's like a permanent solution. And here are the screws and the Allen key for the mount, like the bracket on the light bar. Here we go. Here's the power brick, and we have the UK adapter and the, I think the France adapter, I believe, or the EU adapter here. I'm in the UK, so I'm just going to use the UK adapter. So let's see how this goes. This way. Yeah, so it goes like that. There we go. And you have 2 adapters for like, or 3 a light bar could fit into 1 power brick. I have 2, so this should be fine. And to remove this adapter, if you're going like to a European country, the UK adapter won't work, right? So you can just press this, remove that, put the other one in the same way. There we go. So it's easy. Now it's all like push fit, so it's so easy. So there we go. So here's the power brick. Yeah, let's see how it looks when it lights up, right? Isn't that what this is all about, since it is a light? Well, I'm not going to install into a bracket yet, because for that part you just make sure you just subscribe and stay tuned for like the desk setup that I mentioned before. So yeah, since it's going to be part of my desk setup. Let's just spell. How does this work? There we go. So here are the brackets. Let me just take one out. So there we go. There we go. Let me just take one out to test. So yeah, so let me just, so this goes in here, and I think if you just plug it in, it should light up, right? Oh, there we go. That's bright, isn't it? Let me see how it's set up. So I think I need to install the app, but yeah, let me get back to that. So yeah, so I think this is the app, Philips Cube. So let me just install that. Let's open. Yeah, sure. Let me power this one as well. So, this one. What is it? Let's get started. Okay. This Bluetooth lightweight. No. Okay, not at the moment because I don't want it to just like turn on with my hands. That light. Okay. Is it looking for it? I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. So the light is right here. Okay, pair. I got something. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So this is paired now. Sick. So I could change it anywhere I want. Make it creates like a beam, right? So if I face it that way. Look at that. That looks nice. Okay, next. Done. Yeah, so there we go. If I turn it off, oh yeah. Turn back on, turn off, turn back on. And then there we go. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Okay, yeah, that's it. That's it for the setup. And yeah. Yeah, so the setup is done, and like just adding this light changes like the whole background, right? Because now it's purple, and like the whole element to create like a mood around it, which is pretty sick. So I think it will be really good for the desk setup as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing, and stay tuned for the upcoming video where I do the whole desk setup with all this light integrated to create like a really good vibe, and create a YouTube setup for like my upcoming video. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye.